Alright, you guys, so one thing that I think people are getting really terribly wrong when it comes to, personal finance, saving money and investing, and, all things associated within the personal financial space, is that they lose complete sight that it is a personal thing. It is a personal experience, a personal way of doing things, handling and managing your money, and the outcomes that you're gonna want may be completely different than what someone else wants. So this is why I say, like, this is where people go really wrong. Like, instead of thinking like, hey, I have to do it this way, or I have to do it like how this financial guru says, or this other really influential person in like the financial world says I should be doing this with my money. Well, it's like, no, like, none of this is true. What you need to do is remember that when it comes to personal finance, that you should do the things with your money that is gonna get you the type of financial results that you want to have in your life personally, and that that's going to vary from person to person. So just remember, at the end of the day, like, you don't need to do what anyone else tells you that you need to do with your money. You need to remember, like, hey, what is it that I personally want to experience with my money? Like, what am I trying to accomplish? And then find a plan that's either already laid out for you, like, hey, if I do this plan, I'm going to get this outcome with my money. Or if you don't already see like a plan that's in place that you can just kind of follow those steps, then just take bits and pieces from other people's plans, put them together, create your own plan, work that plan with your money, and then that way you will be very satisfied because you're doing exactly, a very personalized plan of doing exactly what you want to do with your money, and you're going to get exactly the type of outcome that you want in your financial life. So just remember, personal finance is personal.